Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with a new chocolate review. And today we are going to review a new chocolate from Cadbury, which is a 5-star 3D. So this is a new chocolate launched from Cadbury recently, and this is the 5-star 3D, new variation of the original 5-star. So we are going to review this chocolate today in our video, and we are going to do a taste test and tell you how good this chocolate is or how bad it is. How does it compare to the original 5-star, what is different in it, and various other things. So today we are going to review the 5-star 3D. So let's get down to the review of the chocolate. The first things first, let's start with the packaging of the chocolate. The chocolate, like any other 5-star, comes in a plastic packaging here, plastic paper style packaging here, and like the original 5-star is in the golden wrapper. This 5-star from Cadbury comes in a purple and a mix of purple and golden, the purple Cadbury wrapper along with the 5-star golden color. And here we have the Cadbury branding right on top here, and you can see the Cadbury branding. Then here we have the 5-star branding. So here's the 5-star 3D branding that they have given. Here's the logo, the 5 stars we can see here. And the next thing that we have is the illustration of the chocolate bar itself. They have shown a 5-star here, the 5-star 3D, along with the Rice Crispies within it. So there are Crispies inside the chocolate. That is what the new 5-star 3D is about. So it is your original 5-star along with Crispies within it. So it's a mixture of Cadbury milk chocolate, caramel, soft chocolate center, and rice and crispy, crunchy Crispies. So that's what is mentioned here. That it's a mixture of Cadbury milk chocolate, caramel, soft chocolate center, and crunchy Crispies. So that is what is mentioned on the pack here. On the other side of the pack, they have mentioned is a taste and texture like never before from Cadbury. A taste and texture like never before from Cadbury. They mentioned here. Coming to the back side of the packaging, they are given the ingredients of the chocolate. Right there, they are given the ingredients of the chocolate here. There's a barcode here. Here's a pure vegetarian symbol here. If you can see the pure vegetarian symbol. Coming to the main part, the new 5-star 3D is priced at rupees 30 for a net weight of 42 grams. So for a 42 gram bar of chocolate, the price is MRP rupees 30. So not a very high price, but little bit in the premium side here from 5-star. So this is a premium offering from 5-star right now. The 5-star 3D, which is priced at with a premium of rupees 30. So yeah, this is all the info that is there on the packaging. Let's go ahead and unpack the product and see how does it how does the chocolate look. This bar of chocolate gives you 217 calories. So they have mentioned the calories as well on the chocolate bar packing itself. So this bar of 5-star packs in 217 calories, which is 11% of your GDA. So yeah, let's go ahead and unpack this chocolate. So I'm just going to tear the package open and I'm going to show you all the chocolate. So guys, here is the 5-star 3D. So it looks from the outside, it looks like the normal 5-star. So here you can see it. So I'll just show it to you all from all angles. This is the new 5-star 3D, and this is the chocolate. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to cut it open, cut it into half and see what is inside the 5-star. So I'll just take a knife to cut it off. So yeah, I'm just going to cut it off with a knife to see what is inside the 5-star. So here we can see, so there's a layer of chocolate. So here, there's an upper layer of chocolate, which you can see there's a layer of chocolate. Then there's a layer of caramel inside, the brown, light brown color thing. Here, I'll just pull a little bit of caramel down so you can see it. Here's a layer of caramel. Then there's chocolate filling, soft chocolate filling within inside, and within inside the chocolate filling there are Crispies. So let me see if I can pull one out. Okay, here. So you can see that there are small Crispies inside the chocolate bar. So this is a crispy here. So there are Rice Krispies within the chocolate to give it a different flavor. So yeah guys, this is how the chocolate bar looks from within as well. So let's get down to the taste test to see how different this chocolate is from the original Cadbury 5-star. Is it better than it or is it bad? Like, let's go ahead and do the taste test. So for the taste test, I'm going to try on a bite of the new Cadbury 5-star 3D. So here it goes. So it has retained the original 5-star taste, same caramel feeling with the soft chocolate inside. So the only difference is you get that crunchy crispiness from the Rice Krispies within the chocolate, but nothing extravagant than the original 5-star. The taste is almost similar except for the Crispies. Me not being a big fan of the Crispies, so I would rate the 5-star 3D as a 3 out of 5, because I would prefer the original 5-star over the Crispy, because I don't find any much difference in the taste. Except for the Crispies, it's the same original 5-star, so there's no difference in the chocolate or the inside filling of the chocolate. It's just the Crispies which are added to the 5-star 3D. So yeah guys, this was my review of about the new 5-star 3D. So do let me know your reviews and what are your views on the new 5-star 3D in the comment section below. And if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos on chocolate reviews.